Hi, I'm Sean Michael Reagan for Cool Tools, and in today's video I want to tell you a quick story about pocket knives. It starts here and ends here, at least for now. Bear with me. A couple of years ago, I received this folder as a gift. Of course, I accepted politely, but frankly, at first glance, I was not very impressed. It's ugly, the manufacturing quality isn't great, and the design seems bizarre, to say the least. It's got this finger loop, which is a feature you normally only see on knives designed to be used as weapons. It's got a spring-assisted blade with this little flipper sticking out the back so you can open it like a switchblade, kind of, like so. But now that the blade's open, you can see that it's actually really short, with just a 2-inch edge, fully half of which is taken up by these serrations, which are intended to help cut rope, I think? But which mostly, in my experience, just make the blade a lot harder to sharpen. But the weirdest feature has to be the two random hex wrenches they've built into the back of the blade here. So it grips like a fighting knife and opens like a fighting knife, but once I've got it open, I'm supposed to fix my bicycle with it? But I did try carrying it for a while, and the first time I went to pull it out, this happened. It happened 2 or even 3 times more before I realized that this had almost certainly been done on purpose. This feature is not actually a wrench at all, but a hook deliberately designed to catch on the edge of your pocket so that, with a bit of practice, you can have the knife drawn, open, and ready to use in one movement of one hand. I won't speculate about why the manufacturer chose to camouflage this feature as a hex wrench, but when I realized that's what was probably going on here, this knife suddenly became a lot more interesting. Even if you could care less about fighting knives, the idea of a folder that interacts with your clothing to lever itself open is pretty clever. A little research revealed that, technically, this bit is known as a, quote, wave-shaped opening feature. Turns out, Emerson Knives actually has a US patent on this idea that was issued in 1999 and that has just recently expired. So we might start to see this feature appearing on a lot more folding knives in the future. At the moment, however, the population of these knives skews pretty heavily towards expensive weapon-y types like this one by Spyderco that sells for $70, this one by Cold Steel that goes for $95, and this one by Fox Knives that fetches a whopping $130. But this guy, which is an Emerson model CQC-6K, actually manufactured by Kershaw under license from Emerson, is much more reasonably priced at just $35. It's very well made, has a strictly utilitarian design, and is really a pretty awesome all-around daily carry type knife. And the wave opener works great. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.